Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Question Paper. So the question is, describe the role of the state seed certification agencies. So this is of 10 marks question, and in this question we have to describe in brief what is the role of the state seed certification agencies. Like they are involved in the certification of the seeds, field inspection, training and supervision, seed testing and sampling, maintenance of records. And these state seed certification agencies, they are governed by the two major acts, that is Seed Act 1966 and the Seed Rules 1968. So how you will attempt this question? So state seed certification agencies, they play a vital role in maintaining the genetic purity, physical quality and overall standard of the seeds produced and sold within a state. These agencies function under the provisions of the Seeds Act 1966 and Seeds Rules 1968 with the primary objective of ensuring that only high quality certified seeds reach the farmers. So this is the brief introduction about the role of the state seed certification agencies. Now what are their key roles and functions? Number one is the certification of seeds. These state seed certification agencies, they verify and certify that seed lots conform to the prescribed genetic, physical and physiological quality standards before they are marketed as the certified seeds. Then field inspection. They conduct field inspections at various crop stages to ensure genetic purity, isolation distance and freedom from diseases or off types. Then seed testing and sampling. They collect samples and test them for germination, purity, moisture content and seed health in the authorized seed testing laboratories. Then maintenance of records. They maintain the records of the registered seed growers, fields and the seed lots to ensure transparency and accountability. Then training and supervision. They train the seed growers, inspectors and analysts on seed standards and certification procedures. So this is the role of the state seed certification agencies. Hence, through systematic inspection, testing and certification, these agencies ensure that only genetically pure and high quality seeds reach the farmers. So in this way, you can attempt your question. Thank you and keep watching my videos.